We'll guide you through how to fix being unable to move or copy files to an external hard drive on a Mac and being unable to write files to it. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. This problem can be really annoying because it then means you can't go and add files to it. You can still go and move files from it onto your Mac and view them, but you can't go and add to it. So I've already got the drive connected here, so you can go and see it on my desktop, but also you could go and open up your Finder and scroll down on the left and we can go and find it, new volume. So if I can go and double click on them like so to go and open them up, but let's go and say I wanted to go and add this PDF, I could click, hold and drag, and I just go and get that little icon with a sort of no sign through it. It's got the circle with a line through. So we're going to guide you through how you can go about fixing it, as it's a really annoying problem. So the problem is caused because of the format the drive is set to. It's been formatted to a type of drive that Macs don't go and allow to be written to. So what we can do is, it's important to know everything on here is going to be lost. So if it's important stuff, I recommend you back it up. So the best way of doing that is just to go onto your desktop. We can go and click with two fingers or right click and press new folder. And I'm going to name this backup like so. Then come into the drive and you can press Command A to select everything, or you can click, hold and drag, just select it all. And then what you can do is click, hold and drag into the folder like so. Go and wait for it to copy. It shouldn't go and take too long. Of course, the more stuff there is, the longer it will take, but we've now got a backup of it and we can go and add it back after you've gone and reformatted it. As I said, during the format, you go and lose everything on it. Now that we've done the backup, what we're going to do is go and press search in the top right and type in disk utility. Press enter and it's now opened. Now you want to come to the left to external and make sure you select the right one. If you've got multiple connected, maybe even go and unplug them and just make sure you're definitely using the right one. So this is it. I've only got one. And you can see here, this is using the Windows NT file system, which Macs can't go and write to. They can only go and read from. So what we're going to do is go and press erase at the top. And then, as you can see here, we can go and click on the format. And what we want to do is go and use exFAT. That's going to be a good compatible option to use. It works well between Mac and Windows because you may be in the position of where you commonly go and connect your drive to both system types, and you want to be able to go and transfer and store files on both. So exFAT's going to be a good option. Choose the name and you can go and press erase. Now you can go and wait. It's just unmounting it and it shouldn't go and take too much longer, and it's now complete. So we can press done and we can close out of this. So now we can go and open it up and we should now be able to go and add files to it. So just to show you this, I've opened up the backup here. We want to select everything in backup by pressing Command and A, and we can click, hold and drag it on. And as you can see, we can now go and write to it. And we move those files back onto it, and I could go and move other files onto it as well. For example, let me go and open it up. I could go and drag this on as well. Before I couldn't, but you can now see I can. So that's it. If you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. I look forward to help you again in the future with more guides like this. We publish them every single day, so I'm sure we'll be able to go and help you out again.